Okay, makers, in line with my quest to get you more folder making tools and accessories for this year, micro carbide drill bits are now in stock. We've got 1.3 millimeters, 1.45 millimeters, one comma 5 millimeters, and 1.6 millimeters, as well as 2 millimeters. These are the sizes that you said you use the most, so these are the ones that I've got in right now for you. In addition to these micro drill bits, I've also got the much loved and revered 080 taps. These are not high carbon taps, these are high speed steel taps as well. 080 and very, very well priced, only 175 each. So yeah, these nice supplies, we got you. See you out.